Hi guys, this is gonna be a quick video just to explain how to install the robot that will get it'll either be on WhatsApp, Telegram, or Google Drive. So what you'll do is you'll have your robot downloaded, you'll save it in your folder, then you'll open data folder. Well, first you'll copy the bot, copy the bot. Once you open your data folder, you'll go yeah, experts, you'll just paste it here. Okay, I already have it in there, so that's fine. Then you'll open Navigator, you'll refresh, and then the pod should pop up here. After that, you'll attach it to the screen or to the chart, and then you will make sure to click Allow Algo Trading Input. You'll put the input set file, so here you go. Take NASDAQ inputs 2, and there you go. And then to back test it, you'll go Strategy Tester, choose a bot, just leave this on 15, and then let's say 10,000 ZAR, and then you take that same input file, the set file, backtest it. Okay, there you go. So this is on 5% risk per trade. Let me just double check. Yeah, 5% risk per trade, win rate 61. And then you can also optimize it. You can also check different pairs in here to backtest. So you can click there or CAD, etc. and backtest. But for now, I want to go back to NASDAQ because I want to check something. So you can backtest different inputs. So let's say, okay, backtest, this is say 12. So leave this, leave that, leave that. We can do a quick backtest. Let me just check something. Okay. Okay, so now it's gonna backtest different set inputs based on this. So you'll be backtesting different inputs and combinations of different inputs. So you'll see the combination of different inputs over here is 1,200 different variables or variable outputs or variations. So now it's testing, so 80, 90. Let's do a few so you can see an example. So the previous backtest we had 25,000. Now we have a result here for 30,000. I'm gonna let it keep running just for a bit. Uh, yeah, we have 155,000. I'm gonna let it keep running. The drawdown's a bit higher, 13%. Okay, let me backtest this one first. Let's see this one. Yeah, that's not too bad. 65% win rate. That's not too bad. Let me just test this one as well. Wait, it was one for 50,000, I think. Yeah, so let's backtest this one. Hmm, let's see. Yeah, that's not too bad actually. Yeah, but now the win rate's 47, so I wouldn't actually use this one. Even though um the profit's good, the consecutive losses is 6, the win rate is too low, so I would not use that one. I would use this one. So we have our inputs. There you go, and then you will just save that. So let's say um Nasdaq inputs 3. So now you have your input saved for your new optimization. You'll go there, or you go to your bot or you add it, click on it, click load, inputs 3. There. Now your new optimization, the new backtest is saved. There you go. Allow trading, algo trading, sorted. There we go. Yeah, sorted. And then obviously, same process. You go, um, Forex, you click on whatever you want. I'm just gonna test the random thing. I haven't backtested this, so I'm not sure how it's gonna look. The results, downloading history. So just keep in mind, this is the first time I'm testing this bot on USD. So let's just see what actually happens. Um, Obviously for better results, we'll have to do the whole inputs again, go through all the inputs, different structure lookbacks, different high-low sweeps, different reward, risk-reward ratios, different SL buffers, different FVG points. Everything will be different for each financial instrument. This thing is not testing. Let's just check here. Um, Trade failed bet code. Okay, I will have a look at this now. Let's just check something. This is not taking any trades. Well, I was supposed to. I'll have a look at it. Different bet codes. Hmm. Okay, I will have a look at this and get back to you. I'll upload another video. Let me just check. Yeah. Okay. But for now, just play around with US 100, and then I will have a look at why the currency wasn't trading. There we go. I will upload updates onto the Google Drive or WhatsApp. Hmm. It's not this one. Let me just check.